A laptop screen is an essential component of a laptop, and keeping it clean is crucial for its longevity and performance. A dirty laptop screen can affect your viewing experience and strain your eyes, causing headaches or eye fatigue. In this how-to video, we will discuss some tips and tricks for cleaning a laptop screen effectively. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Before cleaning the laptop screen, it is important to turn off and unplug the device. This will ensure your safety and prevent any electrical accidents. A microfiber cloth is the most effective tool for cleaning a laptop screen. It is soft and gentle on the screen, and it won't scratch the surface. Dampen the cloth with a small amount of water and gently wipe the screen in a circular motion. If your laptop screen is particularly dirty or has smudges, you can use a cleaning solution to clean it effectively. There are many cleaning solutions available on the market that are specifically designed for cleaning laptop screens. Alternatively, you can create a homemade solution by mixing equal parts of distilled water and white vinegar. Apply the solution to the microfiber cloth and wipe the screen gently in a circular motion. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials like paper towels, tissues, or napkins to clean your laptop screen. These materials can scratch or damage the surface of the screen. While cleaning your laptop screen, it is a good idea to clean the keyboard and touchpad as well. Use a can of compressed air to blow any debris out of the keyboard and touchpad and wipe them down with a microfiber cloth and cleaning solution. After cleaning the screen, use a clean, dry microfiber cloth to wipe the surface and remove any excess moisture. Allow the screen to air dry completely before turning the laptop back on. Cleaning your laptop screen is an essential part of maintaining your device and ensuring optimal performance. Follow these tips and tricks to clean your laptop screen effectively and prevent any potential damage or issues. Remember to use a microfiber cloth, avoid using harsh chemicals, clean the keyboard and touchpad, and dry the screen thoroughly. With proper care, your laptop screen will stay clean, clear, and functional for years to come. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks. Good luck and see you in the next video.